So we've come out here this morning. We were going to chase some reddies, but there's fish all up on the surface. And when the fish are up on the surface like this, little outfits like this is a quantum response. And this one here is the Energy 30, the Quantum Energy 30. And they're just perfect little setups for this kind of fishing. You know, lightweight, spinning you. There's a bunch of kings just over the front here. Let's see if we can get one. I think I've got about a 25 gram lure on. There we are. I think I've got another little bonito. Perfect little outfit for this. These high modulus graphite rods really make casting and fighting fish a joy. Oh, it's a tiny little king, possibly the littlest king you will ever see. There's some bigger ones underneath it though. Really important when you're spinning for fish that are up on the surface like this that you cast little lures, because the bait that they're generally feeding on is pretty small, and the only way to cast little lures, whether they're soft plastics or little metal slugs like the one I'm casting right now, is with light tackle. The beauty of it these days is that even with light tackle you can land pretty substantial fish. This is a 4 to 6 kilo quantum response, and I would be pretty comfortable betting that you can definitely land, 65 to 80 centimetre kings on this with the right amount of leader and a bit of skill. Right under the boat right now. Let's see if we can drop it down and jig one up. Yep, there we go, I've got a little bonito. Early summer, offshore in Sydney Harbour is just an absolute ball on these small fish.